Solving 8A, solving and combining like terms and constants. Take a screenshot and then follow along with me. Number 1, 3x plus 2x plus 5 equals 10. I want to solve for x. First thing I'm going to do is combine like terms. 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 5 equals 10. Now, I want to solve for x. So what we do when we want to solve is we undo PEMDAS. First we undo subtraction, then addition, then division, then multiplication, then exponents, then packages. So we're not having these in these problems today. We're just doing multiply, divide, add, subtract. So to undo multiplication, you divide it. That's its partner. To undo addition, you subtract. Those are partners. So we're here now and we have 5 attached by multiplication and a 5 attached by addition. So first we undo the addition. There was no subtraction, but there is addition. To move it to the other side of the equal sign, we subtract it. Now we're almost done. Our x is almost alone. 5 is attached by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. And now I'm going to do my arithmetic. 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 over 5 is 1. Number 2, 3x plus 2x minus 5 equals 10. So again, 3x plus 2x is 5x minus 5 equals 10. And we're going to undo PEMDAS. First we undo subtraction. There's a 5 attached by subtraction. It moves by its complement, which is addition. Now we're almost done. 5's attached by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. Now just reduce. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 over 5 is 3. Number 3, 3x minus 2x minus 10 equals 20. I want to get x alone. First I have to combine like terms. 3x minus 2x leaves 1x. Minus 10 equals 20. I want to get x alone. I have a 1 attached. That really doesn't matter because it's just 1x. And I have a 10 attached by subtraction. To undo subtraction, you add to the other side of the equal sign. And I have x equals 20 plus 10 is 30. Number 4, 3x minus 2x plus 10 equals 25. So first I'm going to collect like terms. 3x minus 2x leaves me 1x. Plus 10 equals 25. Notice I rewrite only when I collect like terms. And I try to line up my equal sign so this problem will eventually look like a funnel. And the last thing in the funnel will be your answer, your x equals. So now I have 10 attached to my x by addition. Move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. And I'm getting x equals 25 minus 10 is 15. Number 5, 3x minus 10 plus 2x equals 55. First, I want to combine my x terms. So I have 3x plus 2x. These guys are alike, so they can combine. 3x plus 2x is 5x. And I still have this minus 10 equals 55. Now I want to get the x alone. First, I'll undo subtraction. 10's attached by subtraction, move it by addition to the other side of the equal sign. 5's attached to x by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. I'm getting x equals 65 over 5. And I can reduce that. 5 into 6 is 1. And 6 minus 5 is 1. Bring down the 5. 5 into 15 is 3. So x is 13. Number 6, 45 equals x plus 15. So I have like terms here, x and x. I have 1x plus 1x is 2x. Now I want to solve for x. I have something attached by addition and something attached by multiplication. And of course I undo subtraction first, there is none. Addition. So I'll move that 15 by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. And now I'm going to get the x alone. 2 is attached by multiplication. Move it by division. and I'm getting x equals 45 minus 15 is 30, and 30 over 2 is 15. Number 7, 8x plus 2x plus 4 plus 8 equals 72. So I see there are x's that are alike, and then there's constant terms that are alike that I can consolidate. 8x plus 2x is 10x, plus 4 plus 8 is 12, equals 72. Now I have the same old story. I have 12 attached by addition, move it by subtraction. I have 10 attached by multiplication, move it by division. And I get x equals 72 minus 12 is 60. 60 over 10 is 6. So this looks suspiciously like number 7, except that I put a little space between the like terms, but still I can add the x terms. 8x and 2x is 10x, and then add the constant terms. Positive 4 plus 8 is plus 12. Get the x alone. First I'll minus over the 12. 10's attached by multiplication, move it by division. And I'm getting x equals 42 minus 12 is 30. 30 over 10 is 3. Number 9, 2x plus 17x plus 8 equals 8. So first combine like terms. 2 plus 17 is 19x's, plus 8 equals 8. Now there's something attached to the x by addition, move it by subtraction. Something attached by multiplication, move it by its partner, division. My x is alone, so I'm all done, and I'm getting x equals 8 minus 8 is 0. Number 10, 12x plus 3 minus 12x is 11. Combine like terms. 12x minus 12x is 0 x's. So I could write 0 x's, but really it just goes away. Plus 3 equals 11. Now I'm left with an untrue statement because 3 does not equal 11. So this means that there is no solution. So when your unknown goes away and you're left with an untrue statement, you have no solution. Here are the triads for lesson 8A. We're combining like terms and then we're solving. So take a screenshot and then follow along with me. Number 1, 4x plus 3x plus 7 equals 28. I want to solve for x, so first I'm going to combine my like terms. 4 plus 3 is 7 x's, plus 7 equals 28. I want to get x alone, that's my goal. I have something attached by addition. I have something attached by multiplication. First undo addition, by its partner, subtraction. Now this 7 is attached to the x by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. Now I just have to do the arithmetic. 28 minus 7 is 21. 21 over 7 is 3. Number 2, 3x plus 4x minus 7 equals 49. I want to solve for x, but first I have to combine my like terms. 3 and 4 is 7 x's. Minus 7 equals 49. I want to get x alone. I have 7 attached by subtraction, so I'll move it first by addition to the other side of the equal sign. Now I have 7 attached by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. My x is alone, so I'm done. So I'm going to do the arithmetic here. 49 plus 7 is 56 over 7, which reduces to 8. Number 3, 4x plus 6 minus 3x equals 56. First, I'm going to combine these like terms. 4x minus 3x leaves me 1x. Plus 6 equals 56. Get my unknown alone. The 6 is attached by addition. Move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. And I'm getting x equals 56 minus 6 is 50. Number 4, 2x plus 4x plus 100 equals 112. I'm going to combine these like terms. 2 plus 4 is 6 x's plus 100 equals 112. I want to solve for x. I have the 100 attached by addition, move it by subtraction to the other side of the equal sign. Now I have the 6 attached to x by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. Now my x is alone. Do the arithmetic. 112 minus 100 is 12. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Number 5, 340 equals 12x minus 4x minus 100. So here's my equal sign. I'm going to write it here so that I keep track of things. I'm going to combine these like terms. 12x minus 4x, 12 minus 4 is 8 x's minus 100. I want to get the x alone. 100 is attached by subtraction. Move it by addition. Not very neat here. Sorry about that. And then the 8 is attached by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. And I'm getting, let's see, 340 plus 100 is 440 over 8. And I can reduce that. 8 into 440. 8 into 44 is going to be 5. 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract. 44 minus 40 is 4. Bring down the 0. 8 into 40 is 5 again. So 55 equals x. Number 6, 32x plus 32x minus 116 equals 12. Combine my like terms here. 32 plus 32 is 64x minus 116 equals 12. I want to solve for x, and I have 116 attached by subtraction, so I'll move it by addition to the other side of the equal sign. 64 is attached by multiplication to my x, so I'll move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. So 116 plus 12. 6 plus 2 is 8. 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1. So I'm getting 128 over 64, and I know that that's 2. Number 7, x plus 3x minus 8 equals 62. I'm going to combine all my x terms. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 3 is 7x, minus 8 equals 62. 8 is attached by subtraction, move it by addition to the other side of the equal sign, and I'm getting 7x equals 62 plus 8 is 70. Get the x alone, 7 is attached by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign, and I'm getting x equals 10. Number 9. 9 equals 8x plus 2x plus 9. Okay, so 9 equals 8 plus 2 is 10 x's plus 9. I want to get x alone. I have 10 attached by multiplication and 9 attached by addition. So I undo the addition by subtracting it to the other side of the equal sign. And remember, subtraction always has to follow. So I'm going to clean this up. 9 minus 9 is 0 equals 10x. 10's attached by multiplication, move it by division to the other side of the equal sign. And I'm getting x equals 0 divided by 10 is 0. Number 10, 130x plus 3x minus 131 equals 2. Combined are like terms. 130x plus 3x is 133x. Minus 131 equals 2. I want to get this guy alone. So first I'm going to add the 131 over. Then 133 is attached to x by multiplication. Move it by division to the other side of the equal sign, and I'm getting x equals 2 plus 131 is 133 over 133, which is 1. I do 20 review problems on the review video of solving 8A, reviews 1 and 2, and I hope you'll join me there. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.